The Solutions electric backpack sprayer is a heavy-duty sprayer with a 4-gallon tank capacity and long-lasting battery life. Apply insecticides, herbicides, sanitizers, and more. This sprayer is perfect for medium to larger jobs without adding additional labor or extra equipment. Any application can be made quickly and more comfortable. The built-in back padding and padded backpack straps make longer jobs easier on the body, and the stainless steel clips ensure the backpack remains wearable even after years of use. The sprayer is built with a heavy-duty plastic holster made with tough polypropylene for safe, reliable transport. The spray wand and the included nozzles are made with durable alloys. Use the wand's Quick Connect feature to switch between different jobs with ease. The adjustable nozzle provides spray patterns ranging from jet streams to conical mists. The fan nozzle produces a flat 25-degree stream, and the jet nozzle produces a long-distance jet stream. The sprayer has 2 speeds that can be adjusted by flipping a switch, a higher speed at 65 psi and a lower speed at 36 psi. The sprayer's 18-volt lithium-ion battery is kept in the sprayer's clear door housing, protecting it from water and external damage. This sprayer can output water continuously for over 2 hours, spraying more than 40 gallons per battery charge. Before you can start using your sprayer, some assembly is required. Remove the holsters and nozzles from the intake filter under the tank cap. This sprayer includes a top holster piece and a bottom holster piece. Clip them onto their designated spots and screw them in place. Next, screw the high-pressure spray wand onto the spray gun. For easier storage, keep one nozzle connected to the wand using its Quick Connect feature and keep the other 2 nozzles in the bottom holster. Fully charge your battery before first use. Once all connections are made, the indicator light on the charger will change from green to red. When charging completes, the light will turn back to green. Open the clear door on the sprayer and slot the battery in place. To remove the battery, pull down on the red tab and lift the battery out of its housing. Once your sprayer is assembled, you can start an application. In a separate container, mix your pesticide solution according to its label directions. Pour your solution into the tank. This sprayer can hold up to 4 gallons of solution. Alternatively, mix your solution by filling the spray tank halfway with water using the measurement markers on the side of the tank. Pour in the required amount of product for your treatment, then fill your sprayer with the remaining water. Agitate the solution to disperse the chemical evenly. To connect any nozzle to the wand, pull down on the Quick Connect, set the nozzle in place, and release the Quick Connect. When you're ready, activate the pump and put on the sprayer. The pump will make a priming noise when first activated. Once the noise subsides, you're ready to begin.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.